advocating for our hard-working farmers isn't an easy job. It takes dedication, passion, and focus. Today I'm talking with Matt Close, the Executive Director of the AgForestry program, where they're training the future leaders of Washington agriculture.
So tell me about the AgForestry program. What is it in a nutshell?
Well, the AgForestry program is a leadership program for adults in the natural resources industry. So we're talking about people like farmers, ranchers, people who are a part of agribusinesses.
Over 18 months, participants take 13 seminars focusing on building leadership and communication skills.
So we bring these 20-odd people together, and they all have different ways of thinking and different ways that they serve the natural resources and different ends of the political spectrum. At the end of the process, what we hope is that they build enough trust with one another that they know that even though they disagree, that they can find common ground and move forward to help find solutions for Washington together.
So the participants get to travel.
They not only get to travel around Washington State for 11 seminars, they also spend a week in our nation's capital learning about the federal government and the different NGOs that support agriculture and forestry and the natural resources. And then the crown jewel in the program really is the international trip. And they have an opportunity to spend up to 2 weeks in a foreign country. We want them to experience something totally different that allows them to exercise their group management skills that they're working on as part of the program, and then also their leadership skills. The members of the cohort are required to attempt, at least, to pass legislation or to change an administrative rule as their capstone project.
That's so cool. That's so intense, though.
Some people say it's like drinking from a fire hose, but certainly there is value in that.
How is Washington as a state better because of this program?
Washington State is better because there is now a silent force of AgForestry graduates out there making a difference every day, helping us to have sustainable natural resource management and to feed us. And they're out there doing the work that's needed to be done.